And plus, if I got out of the car, we wouldn't have the great commentary. I wish we had it on tape the way that seagull came and just gangstered all the rest of the birds off that egg.
Get the fuck out of here. Right, right.
My shit, son.
I feel bad for it though, because there's a baby. There's a baby goose.
It was a baby.
You know what? All the geese are gone.
Interesting.
Oh no, they're all out in the field over there.
Damn, must have ran them off. There's probably a nest around here. I don't see if they're gonna crack it open.
No, geese don't put their eggs in nests. I think they sit on them.
Oh, okay.
I think.
I think he cracked it open.
Yeah, he's picking out of it, I think. And their other bird is kind of waiting, like.
It's like, dude, we were here first.
Want some leftovers or something.
Man, what the fuck, man? Seagull's like, I'll fuck you up. Don't do it. It's like he picked it up and dropped it twice. Oh yeah, he's definitely picking something
Maybe we
out
should
of
have
that.
tried to save it.
You're such a good guy. Look at the crow trying to get in.
Look at these two seagulls rolling up. Yeah.
Yo, just look at the way they're walking. Like, yo, what up? What up, son? Yo, man, I'm chilling over here, man. I'm holding back. I'm holding back. Like, yo, you sharing, right? Man, I ain't sharing shit. The fucking crow backed him off. Like, look, I'm next in line. Yeah, this guy was just like, all right.
He's just pulling little parts out of there. You see that?
Yeah, it's kind of gross.
Oh.
Look at the crows. The crows are
pulling at it.
The crows just set up a fucking perimeter, dude. I would love to see a crazy bird fight.